how to legally get TradingView Premium for free in 2025. So, step one, activate the 30-day free trial. So, head over to the official TradingView website, click Get Started for free, then pick any of the paid plans and choose the 30-day free trial option. After that, sign up using your email or a social media account, and you will get access to all premium features free for 30 days. So, make sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be billed. Then step two, use the referral program. So TradingView has a referral system that rewards you with free subscription time, and you can also share your unique referral link with friends, social media followers, or trading groups. And for every successful sign up through your link, you can earn free premium access. Then step three, check broker or partner deals. So some brokers like Black Bull Markets offer free TradingView Premium as part of their promotions, and look into whether your trading platform or broker has these kinds of offers, and follow their official instructions to claim your access. And here are some important reminders. So, never use hacks, cracked accounts, or third party tools. They're illegal and violate TradingView's terms. Then stick to authorized methods only via TradingView's official site or trusted broker partners. So, this guide is for educational use and follows all legal and platform guidelines, so you don't need to worry. And that is basically it, guys. I will see you on the next one.